All right, so I am about to make my first attempt at Damascus steel. We will see how that goes. I've already got the metal prepped and attached to my handle so that I can hold it in the forge. And yeah, never done this before, so I have no clue what to expect. If you're watching this, that means it probably worked. So here we go.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, well, that's one thing about this shop. I'm still waiting to get better electrical in here.
So,
Dang it, I think I had the music up too loud.
Are you still able to do it?
Yeah, I gotta go flip the breaker.
Oh.
But other than that, it is looking pretty dang good, especially for my first attempt at Damascus.
Yeah.
Pretty excited about that. Say hello, Demi.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. All right, let me go flip the breaker. So what we got here, we're on the light. It's probably loud because of the fan, but take off the mask. First, Damascus steel billet. It's all shiny. But that is one solid piece of metal. Now, I think I already said it, but time to cut it in half and do it again. Alright, so day number 2, I've got my Damascus ready for the second set. I don't know what you call it. Oh, I folded it over on itself, and now I'm going to beat it up again. Here we go. Alright, so now I'm going to take the steel. I'm going to do a ladder pattern Damascus, so I'm going to cut lines offsetting each other on both sides. That's the plan. That is what it looks like. Both sides offset. So now I heat it back up, bang it out, and that should give me a pretty cool pattern. Hopefully. All right, so I'm gonna give it a dip in the ferrochloric acid. I think I'm saying that right. And see what it looks like. Oh. I'll let that sit there for a few minutes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh my God. Can you see it? Oh my God, that is freaking crazy cool. Oh, I don't even know if the camera's giving it justice. Look at that. Let's see if I can turn the light better. Ah. Maybe, there you go. You can see it a little bit better. Dude, that is sick. Crazy cool. It's working. Alright, so I got the blade tempered, and now we are going to grind on it some more. So I'll show you something I made. Where's my old one? So this This was my old knife beveling jig. It's just a piece of angle iron. Yeah. This one is my new knife beveling jig. This one's adjustable. I made this the other day. So, yeah, that'll help out. So right here I'm starting to freak out a little bit because I can't figure out why the contrast looks different. It doesn't look anywhere near as cool as it did. So I had to contact a buddy of mine and get it figured out.
So what you do is you go ahead and do probably about 3 or 4 10 to 15 minute etch cycles to get your depth, and then you go ahead and you do a coffee etch for as long as you need. Some people do a 20-minute coffee etch, some people do a 6-hour coffee etch. Hell, some people leave it overnight. But basically the ferric etch is usually for depth, and the coffee etch is for contrast, if that's what you're looking for.
The next morning.
There's my dad. Alright, well, got this one all finished up. Take a look at that. Light's kind of shining on it. really happy with the way that this one turned out. It's the first time I did Damascus and learned a lot. Went really good. So with that said, Liam, happy birthday. I really hope you like your knife. And yeah, your grandma was all over me to make sure that I got this done in time. So make sure you tell her thank you and give her a hug.